Secret leak reveals. Cardano, you can't ignore ADA. Latest updates. A seven-fold gain this year has turned Cardano's ADA token into the fifth biggest cryptocurrency by market value, stoking a debate over the merits of a rally that has trounced blockchain bellwethers like Bitcoin and Ether. Charles Hoskinson, who founded the Cardano platform and serves as Chief Executive Officer of the blockchain research and engineering company IOHK, spoke about his company and the broader crypto ecosystem. IOHK is working with Ethiopia's Ministry of Education on one of the world's biggest blockchain projects, a universal student credentialing system. It's also developing systems for ranked choice voting and researching some of the most complex issues in cryptocurrencies. Today we're going to talk about all the recent updates from Cardano ecosystem. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 11th of August, shall we? Cardano Price printed a daily close above the 2018 high on August 6th, marking the first time since July 7th and establishing a basis to extend the rally beyond the July 4th high of $1.50 based on the measured move of the symmetrical triangle. Moving forward, ADA needs to confirm the rise above $1.4 with a daily close above $1.5 before investors can confidently adopt a bullish narrative for the cryptocurrency. Cardano Price close, but still far from shining again. Cardano Price has climbed 40% since July 21st, based on the price at writing. It is a strong return, but compared to other altcoins, it is subpar, with Ethereum, for example, climbing over 70%. However, the resulting resolution of the symmetrical triangle has motivated ADA to close above the 2018 high of $1.4 on a daily and weekly basis, generating a minor breakthrough for the digital token. The measured move of the symmetrical triangle is almost 22%, proposing an ADA price target of $1.74 from the breakout above the triangle's upper trend line on August 5th, and the potential for Cardano Price to rally an additional 18% before tagging the target. A boost to the ADA outlook for better outcomes is activating the bullish golden cross pattern on the 6-hour chart, increasing the momentum quotient for Cardano Price. The previous golden cross on the 6-hour chart was noted in November 2020, before the 80% jump in the month. If Cardano Price does gain additional upside momentum from the golden cross, ADA has the potential to test the June 3rd high of $1.89, representing a gain of over 28% from the current price. A daily close below the 2018 high introduces a challenge for the developing bullish narrative. Thus, it's essential that Cardano Price sticks above $1.4 or risk defining the top of another failed ADA rally above the critical level, as was the case in early July. Traders have a bullish outlook on Cardano in light of recent events, as the altcoin's price has surged 21.8% in the last 2 weeks and could potentially rally to $5. ADA has crossed the 2018 high of $1.39. This is a critical price level since the altcoin failed to close above $1.39 for 5 out of the last 6 months. The attempt to close above the critical price level in May 2021 was followed by a reversal from the high. At the time of writing, ADA is trading at $1.56. If the price drops below the critical level of $1.39, it may briefly retrace before hitting $5 in this bull run. Now let's get back to the topic. Cardano has also been educating local developers on how to create solutions for local problems in said unbanked regions. In April, we reported that IOHK had signed a memorandum of understanding (MOU) with the Ethiopian Government to train and hire junior software developers and use Cardano in its agriculture industry. Human rights is the priority, Hoskinson. Cardano is currently collaborating with the Ethiopian Ministry of Education to create a universal credentialing system for their students. The IDs, created by Cardano, will be paired with data from the ministry's learning management systems. When interviewed about the progress of the system, Charles Hoskinson responded, "We're a big believer in quality human rights. Regimes like China or Saudi Arabia have an onerous record of very significant institutional violations. There, it makes no sense to build identity solutions or blockchain solutions." He further explained that the goal of Cardano is to improve the systems of the world for everyone, everywhere, thus reiterating Cardano's reasons for delving into the African market. How is Cardano doing in Ethiopia? According to the founder of Cardano, the collaboration has currently registered around 1 million people already. He further elaborated that the first launch should be sometime in September or October this year. Before the launch, Hoskinson envisions that the project will have gotten around to 5 million people. Going beyond the educational system of Ethiopia, Cardano and IOHK's plan is to expand the project to the whole national ID system, which would be about 110 million people. Cardano has not built a standard credential system with the Ethiopian Ministry of Education. According to Hoskinson, this will be the first universal credentialing system that records the grades, academic accomplishments, honors, and all matters concerning the students. Cardano updates. Cardano's upcoming smart contract update could become one of the most important developments this industry has seen to date. Cardano's smart contract capabilities have been in the works for years, and it looks like we could be in the final stretch of this revolutionary rollout. The trader recites the last milestones of Cardano over the past several months. In March, Coinbase finally listed ADA, had the first update on the Goguen era, and dubbed the Mary hard fork. In April, IOHK secured a partnership with the Ethiopian Government. Also in April, the University of Wyoming started staking ADA for extra income. In May, ADA was added to the Revolut mobile banking app. In June, ADA becomes available for lending and borrowing on Nexo. In July, ADA was added to Grayscale's Digital Large Asset Trust. Now, Jenkins says that Cardano is gearing up to complete its next update phase, called Alonzo, which will officially introduce smart contracts. Alonzo is expected to go live as soon as late August or early September. The good news is that Alonzo is advancing right on schedule. Given that Charles announced the beginning of Alonzo at the end of May, the 90-day timeline by IOHK suggests the end of August is possible. According to the analyst, Cardano's large community and the fact that early investors were fully vested long ago are signs of ADA's strength. He expected ADA to reach $4 to $5 by the end of the year, assuming Bitcoin sees another slingshot to the upside in September or October, which is likely. Despite the optimism, the crypto KOL still concerns that there does not seem to be a comprehensive list of crypto projects that will be deploying on the Cardano blockchain. Moreover, the network also lacks cross-chain bridges with other key cryptocurrency blockchains. All the updates we discussed today have been a long time coming. Whether it's protocol developments, partnerships, or integrations, the years of hard work put in by IOHK, Emergo, and the Cardano Foundation are starting to come to the fore. The craziest part is that this is just the beginning for Cardano. This is as terrifying as it is exciting because so much is riding on a successful smart contract rollout. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.